the picture that is making headline right now in the media is this picture. Gotti, world boss, and world boss son. Now, the media have it to say, the little you look like Gotti, and I must say Gotti's son. Why you not gonna say Gotti look like Addy, and Gotti could also be Addy's son? Now, however, Gotti already confirmed that this little boy, him not have nothing to do with the youth. It's not his son. And Gotti was not even in Jamaica when Shorty get pregnant. So how the hell this could be his son? Now, people, una reach. It better una just simple say, boy, Gotti and world boss look alike, you know. Cause, truth be told, look on the two man them. Una zoom in and look on the two man them. Look on world boss. Forget about the son picture. Look on world boss and Gotti. Una see them face structure is the same. Chin, same. Nose, same. Eye, same. Forehead, same. People favor people. That no mean say a world boss son. But on a quick for say, world boss son, I got his son. The man look like him father. You understand? Not stir up one big thing for no reason at all, cause the man look like him father. So, Gotti have a slight resemblance of Vybz Kartel. And it also, him son have a slight resemblance of Gotti. That don't mean a Gotti pitney, because of his face structure. So right now, you just a reach, man. Leave a man alone, brother. If you can't grab a man in a one thing, you find something else to grab the man in. You beat the man for everything, bro. You just look for everything to beat the man. Gotti already confirmed to me, say, nothing no go so Kevin. And you know what? Monday, we are going to have Gotti from a page and make Gotti, alright, speak theme truth on that. And just get to verify everything. Let's go.